Hello students. Today we will learn about measure of central tendency. There are three common measure of central tendency. The first one is mean, average value of data set, median, middlemost value of sequential data, and mode, most repeated frequent values of data set. The first one is mean. Mean of data can be computed by sum all values of the data and divide it by number of individuals. For example, if age of 5 participants in research are the age is 20, 25, 23, 22 and 23 years. The mean age can be find as the sum of all ages, all 5 ages, 20 plus 25, 23 plus 22 plus 23 and divide by 5. It is equal to 113 divided by 5 is equal to 22.6 years. So we conclude that on average the age of person participants in research was 22.6 years. The second measure of central tendency is median. Median. This measure classified the whole data into two equal parts. 50% of observation below that median value and the remain 50% data are above median value. It is used as alternative of mean. The third measure of central tendency is mode. Mode. The most repeated value of the data is considered as mode of data. It is computed for qualitative data. A data set may have no mode or may have one or more mode. In this graph, mode show in red line and median show in green line and mean show in blue line. Here, hello students. Today we will learn about the measure of dispersion. Here, three main measure of dispersion. The measure of dispersion is the degree to which numerical data tend to spread about an average value is called the variation or dispersion of data. Range and standard deviation are famous measure of dispersion for quantitative types of data. The first one is range. Range, the difference of maximum to minimum value data gives range of data. For example, for data 20, 16, 20, 24 and 19. The range of this data is R maximum minus minimum is equal to 24 minus 16 is equal to 8. 8 is the range of the data. The next one is standard deviation. Standard deviation. This measure gives the spread of data around mean values of data. Minimum standard deviation considered as ideal for the data set. The summary of measure of dispersion is range R is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. Variance is square deviation of the data values from mean and standard deviation is square root of the variance. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.